Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the TikTok app for beginners. So first of all guys, let's launch the app. Let's take a look what is recommendation from TikTok itself. On top right corner you will see currently we're experiencing the For You page. This is what TikTok thinks that you're gonna like. Usually it's based on the location. We're in New York City, so this is why TikTok recommends us to see or take a look at Times Square. Very interesting point also is that on the next to For You page you will have the shops. Shops is usually people who are selling stuff on the platform, and if you wanna buy something from some shop, you're gonna follow the shop, and every time when the shop has some promotion or some new items, you're gonna get notification and you're gonna take a look. Next to shops you will have the following. All the people that you currently follow and their new content will be in this particular section. And the next to the following you will have the STEM, which is essentially science, technology, engineering and math. This is generally built and promoted from TikTok to spark curiosity to the creators and to the viewers. A lot of interesting topics, a lot of interesting things. Let's jump to your account. And when you go to your account, you see the types of notifications that you will receive. You will receive notifications from TikTok itself, you will receive notifications from activities someone interact with your content, and you're going to receive notifications from your followers. When you go back to your account and when you take a look on the lower end of your account, you have options to essentially interact with notifications with the friends. If you have a friends that are currently on the platform, you can find them, you can add them, you can take a look at their content. Also, if you would like to upload something, all you gotta do is to click the plus button on the button. When you click the plus button, you'll see that you have option to create a video inside the actual TikTok app, or you can upload a pre-made content. What this really means is that you will be able simply to create and use the filters and the green screen and other options and other functions, that new AI generated functions that are available on the platform. If you already have a pre-made video, all you gotta do is to go back and then click on the right side where it says upload. This is the place where you're gonna select from your folder, from your phone, whatever content you would like to upload. In our case, we have, and we're going to choose this short form video. We're going to add this video. There are plenty of options. If you look at the right side of the settings bar, you have the options actually to adjust the filters, the contrast. You're able to add a voiceover or text. Something very interesting also is that you can extend this settings bar just by clicking on the down arrow pointing. In this way you will be able to see more functions if you find something that was not there, something that is missing in your opinion. This is very helpful, considering that a lot of this customization helps creators to build much more and provide much more value for the viewers. Basically that's everything that you should know. We went through the For You page, how to interact, how to create content, and how to enjoy using TikTok app. Subscribe and follow for more.